tell you this. The older you do get, the more rules are gonna try to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living, man. Livin.
Hi people, I'm at the gas station, just filled up my petrol for the scooter, and today I'm gonna attempt something which I want to attempt for a very long time, which is I'm gonna go to central London, city area, skyscrapers. I want to try whether it's possible to actually fly a drone within the skyscraper area, because I always wanted to do it, and I think today is the perfect day. It's really sunny and it's beautiful. There's no wind, perfect light conditions, and I just want to try whether it works or not, and then we'll see if we can get any signals or something, failures, but hopefully not, and then we'll see. And maybe I'm gonna do like a nice 4K drone video, but yeah, so let the journey begin. Hi folks, so I'm downtown London town. It's Saturday, so all the offices are shut normally today, and I found this amazing square literally in between houses. There's no people here, kind of off street, and I think this could be the perfect location to get the drone up in the sky. And I'm very close to the Gherkin building and all the other skyscrapers, so okay, let's try. I'm gonna put the camera on my GoPro and just gonna capture the whole thing. I don't know if I'm gonna fly that far away because I might lose the connection, because literally I'm surrounded by buildings, and if I fly away like quite far, I just want to get up in the sky and then just get some footage, and then we'll see. So okay, let's do this. Everything seems okay. I'm getting some weak GPS signals. It's not a big issue. Normally you need to wait a little bit and then they kinda... So basically I'm not getting any GPS signal while I'm in between buildings. So I need to now move on somewhere. I don't know, I need to find some kind of park or some open space where I can get the GPS signal. And then maybe I can just take off. For now, yeah, failure. So. Okay, this looks like a pretty good location. Don't know. We'll see.
I wanna show you how badly I am in need of you here. And you know I don't give a fuck what your friends think of all of my pitfalls. Yeah, I know I still drink too much. I found ways ways to run from our sunset love. So tell me how to make the sun rise. My heart still beats in your direction. Thinking about those days and nights. My heart still beats in your direction.
I'm shaking a little bit. Jesus, that was scary. Okay, now I'm just heading down to the Canary Wharf around the other business district area. I think it's gonna be better. This is a little bit crowded, like there's too many people around here, so alright, let's get it. Sorry, say again?
If you're filming out in the middle of nowhere,
yeah,
then obviously no one cares.
Okay.
But when you're filming very close to a very secure area...
Oh, okay. That was a skyscraper over there, right? Like some high, tall building.
There are many skyscrapers down here.
Okay, cool.
Many being built as well.
Okay.
So because of that, and obviously this area is heavily CCTV.
Oh, okay.
Well, which means they zoomed right in on you, saw your bike, was able to read your number plate, even though the camera's about 700 metres away.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then they've asked us just to have a chat with you.
Okay. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't expect it's gonna be like that heavy, like CCTV security.
Yeah. Anywhere that is heavily built up, you should seriously consider getting permission.
Okay, I will do for sure. Yeah, I mean, I won't do it again. I would not fly anymore around those areas because I was just like trying to get only one footage and that's it. Like I wouldn't do it again because I know it's not legal, you know.
Okay, all right. Can I ask? So what was you actually filming? What was you trying to capture?
I wanted to capture only the those skyscrapers, the bank, the HSBC bank, just the overall, basically the skyline, and that's it.
Skyline of Canary Wharf.
Yeah, just overall, because there's pretty good view over there from this place.
Okay, all right. So consider this words of advice.
Okay.
We won't, you know, nothing else is going to happen.
Okay.
Alright.
Sorry about that.
Alright, so no problems. Don't do it again, and we'll call that the end of it.
Okay, no worries. Have a good day. Thank you.
Alright, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye. Oh damn. So basically what happened was I was like 110 meters up in the sky, and then just suddenly my drone disconnected and I basically lost the control over the drone, and it just started like automatical return home process. I couldn't see anything on my screen. Luckily I didn't really fly that far away. I was literally like next to this skyscraper over here, and I was just trying to get up. Yeah, basically I was getting up 100. As soon as you get like this 100 110 border, that's it, just drone disconnects. And yeah, so I got it back home. It's all good. I got it back. I landed it safely. I was just navigating manually. First, actually, at one point I just couldn't see my drone at all. Like I was just like started to get worried a little bit. But then when it started this return home process automatically, I started to see that it's landing itself, and then I just navigated manually, and then it was all good. And then I tried again, actually, the second time to get up in the sky, and then again the same thing. Not sure, is that like some kind of GPS, I don't know, GPS security policy, or I'm just losing connection just because I am close to the building, or there's no signals. I have no idea whatsoever. But basically, yeah, I mean, if you want to fly a drone in London and central area, it's a bit risky, as you can see, but okay, I'm back home in Wandsworth. Just brought my bike, and then I think I might cap the vlog, or I might finish the vlog up at Kimber Skate Park. Not sure yet. So the overall verdict for the drone flying in London is you can fly it, but you may experience some like signal failure issues, or the drone can just stop working by itself, and yeah, it's not really ideal. I mean, you can do it, but like I don't see the point of it. But still, yeah, I got a pretty good footage in the end, you know what I mean? Yeah, what else I can tell you guys? It was fun. It was fun. A bit stressful, but yeah, especially at one point when my screen just like blacked out and I couldn't see my drone, and you don't know what's gonna happen and what's happening. And then yeah, but yeah, that's it, I think, guys. Might finish the vlog here, or maybe I'm gonna still go to Kimber Skate Park. We'll see. I'm gonna get some clips of Kimber if the homies will be there. If not, then I'm gonna have date today. I'm gonna date, so see you soon guys. Hope you liked the episode. Bye.